If you've forgotten your password for First State Bank of North Dakota, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official First State Bank of North Dakota website using your preferred web browser. Step 2. Navigate to the login section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your account. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for password reset link. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password, ensuring it meets the bank's security requirements, and confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.